11 says to approximate the points of inflection. Now I can see that it's difficult to see exactly where the lines are in this grid. And so what I would ask that you do is that you literally just go onto your packet and make a point where you believe the inflection points land. Now what are inflection points? An inflection point is going to show where the curve changes from concave up to concave down, or vice versa. And so when we think concave up, we're looking at a curve that opens up like a smiley face. Concave down is going to be a curve that opens downward like a frowny face. So think of that in terms of frowny face and smiley face. So I have a smiley face, smiley face, smiley face. Oh, right about here, it looks like is when it changes. And we're going to learn more about this when you're in calculus next year. So it's smiley face. Oh, now it starts to do frowny face. Now when does it change here? Maybe right about here is where it changes from frowny face and now it becomes smiley face. So here's concave up, concave down, and concave up. And these are referred to as inflection points. And so sometimes in the past I've heard students mix up the words turning points and inflection points. Again, inflection points is where does it change the concavity. So concave up, concave down, concave up. So if we had a graph in which we could see it, the points a little bit better, we would just come up with the ordered pairs for these inflection points. The other terms that I hear students mistake and interchange is turning points. Turning points is when does it change from increasing to decreasing, and we're going to read this from left to right. So here it's decreasing. Okay, now this would be considered a turning point because now it's increasing. Okay, turning point. Now it's decreasing, turning point, and now it's increasing. So turning points are different than inflection points. Turning points are describing when does it change from increasing to decreasing, where inflection points is when does the concavity change.